Hello, welcome to my new class 4 science. Yesterday I was discussed about the role of calcium and microbes. Today I will give you the draw and label the diagrams, human digestive system and tooth structure, and also parts of a tooth. Just this is two drawing little hard for you, but you have to practice. You have to practice. So practice three 4 times. You practice, then it will be easy for you. The page number 17 was yesterday finished. Now page number 18. Digestive system. Our body needs food to give us energy and to help us grow. When the food reaches the stomach, it first needs to break the food down into simple form called digestion. The human body is marvelous machine composed of groups of organs called organ system. The digestive system performs some of the most amazing sets of functions in the body. The digestive system consists of the nose, mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, pancreas, liver, and large intestine. In fact, the process of digestion starts from the mouth. When food enters our mouth, our teeth break it up, then our tongue and spit saliva help to get the food ready for us to swallow it. The food is taken down by the food pipe called esophagus, which goes down to our stomach, tummy. Special juices, gastric juices, turn our food into a mushy mixture. This is taken into the small intestine. The mushy mixture is broken down even more by our pancreas and liver when it is finally ready to be used by our body. The large intestine can then start to get rid of the bits of the food. So here 3 questions is there. What is digestion, organ system, and esophagus? What is next number? Question number 9 is given drawing, and 10 is what is digestion? What is digestion? Digestion is when the food reaches the stomach. Answer is when the food reaches the stomach, it first needs to break the food down into simple form called digestion. Number 11. What is organ system? What is organ system? This answer is the human body. The human body is a marvelous machine composed of groups of organs called organ system. Next is esophagus. Number 12. What is esophagus? The food is then taken down by a food pipe called the esophagus. Now the picture is drawn. So now this tree equation is important. So for today your class is over. Thank you.